Hello everyone, I'm Skeeter and I'll be your guide, and welcome to the Great Outdoors. Today we're going to the Eastern Forest. Very dangerous and lots of rare animals, so we have to come prepared. Alright, now the most important part about this trip is that we bring food. I don't have any. Alright, now the next thing on our list is communication, in case we get lost. So I brought a mini radio tower. Alright, now that we've cleared up communication, it's very dangerous in the forest and there are very dangerous animals. So, we came prepared. Alright, now that we've cleared everything up, let's get going.
Hey Skeeter, I think we're lost.
Well, just use the mini radio tower.
Alright, where's the backpack?
I thought you had it.
We lost the backpack?
Well, don't worry, we'll just use the mini radio tower to get help.
It was in the backpack!
Oh.
Whatever, we'll just try and find our way back. Come on. Skeeter?
Holy...
PG!
Right. Alright, we've come up on the rare species Eastern spider, also known as Spider-Man.
Skeeter, that is a very dangerous animal. We gotta keep on going.
Let's go.
Skeeter, look, it's a coyote.
Jimmy, are you insane? That thing could kill us.
Yeah, but it's not moving. No, it's friendly.
Be careful.
I'm gonna pet it.
Something feels wrong about this.
Skeeter? I think it's dead.
Oh, well, let's move on.
Oh, I was gonna name it Jimbo the Fox.
Jimmy, it's a coyote.
Okay. Hey Skeeter, look, two rare animals. I think they're mating.
I guess not.
Jimmy! Skeeter! Oh! What a beautiful day. Whoa! Oh! Skeeter, why is everything dark?
I have no idea.
Whoa, do you hear that?